In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix login errors on Wise. If you're trying to sign in and the page isn't loading properly, or you're seeing a login error, don't worry. In many cases, the solution is very simple and only takes a moment. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly what to do first so you can get back to accessing your account. To begin, open your browser and go to the Wise login page. Make sure you're on the official Wise website before continuing. Once the page opens, take a second to check whether everything loads normally. Sometimes the issue isn't with your account at all. It can just be a temporary loading problem, a browser hiccup, or a weak internet connection. If you see an error message or the page doesn't display correctly, the first thing to do is reload the page. If there's a prompt or message near the top telling you to reload this page, go ahead and click it. This is often enough to refresh the session and clear a temporary error. Give the page a few seconds to load again and see whether the login screen appears properly. If reloading doesn't solve the problem, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A slow, unstable, or disconnected network can prevent the Wise login page from working the way it should. Make sure your device is still connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and that your connection is stable. If needed, try switching networks or briefly disconnecting and reconnecting before returning to the page. After that, go back to the Wise login page and check whether the error is gone. In many situations, simply refreshing the page or restoring a stable internet connection is enough to fix the issue. As an extra tip, if the page still seems stuck after you reload it, wait a few seconds before trying again. Sometimes that websites need a little time to reconnect properly, especially if your signal was interrupted. It's also a good idea to avoid opening too many tabs at once if your browser is running slowly, since that can sometimes affect page loading. The main thing to remember is that login errors are often caused by temporary page issues or connection problems, not necessarily anything serious with your account. Starting with a reload and then checking your internet connection is the fastest and simplest way to troubleshoot. And that's it. That's how to fix login errors on Wise.